Kubor na Khlem jong unongsan Hima.
Ke DGP bertema jong ke jela ke kong ida shishan nongrang hadin bala shimti ya ke kam kum ke DGP jong ke tenat pulit ha ke jela berhaba Ïakren berkilat pathai khubor hadin jong ke jingelang ke tenat pulit mentak ke sengi ke arpotrik jemang arajar arpusau kala pentip baga jing Ïakren Ïasuk ha pedeng ke Sorkar jela bat ke sengking atiar hnyotrep National Liberation Council kadai ke rai ke bala shimhi ke Sorkar jela Bat kum ke Sorkar hi kalong kepala Khreh banyak Ïakren Ïasuk hakanu kanu kopor. Kekong nongrang kala ongru ban nalor ke Hnlc kala donru ke jing Ïakren Ïasuk bat ke ANVC ha ke bakala don ke jing penbait ya snotho jingmut kepala wanra penban ke jing bat kala donru ke jing Ïakren Ïasuk bat ke kinhon king atiar negaro hills ke GNLA bat ki wei ki kinhon king atiar. Hnlc hagabai deipat bat ke jing Ïakren Ïasuk bat ke Hnlc ke benta ke babiang ban bu jingkeli ke dei ke Sorkar jela la benrap ke DGP. Hagabai dei bat ke jing kam baka don ke jing Dawa Pisa ke bala le de ke kinhon king atiar Hnlc lingba ke shithi nakaliang ke kong nongrang kala ong ba nakaliang ke kinhon king atiar kala Pynshai pat ba bakam dei maka bale ya kini ke kam Hnlc ki don ki weipat ki ba shim kabu ban pendon kam de ke kerteng jong ke seng bat ke tenat pulit halor kani karang penlong ye ke jing tokin.
I think I'll have to recuse myself from that. Where the peace talks are concerned, it is a decision which the government has made very clear that they are very open to peace talks. As the DGP of the state, yes, we have seen Hnlc, we have faced them. Yes, we have also seen peace talks with the ANVC and which ended with a tripartite agreement. We've also seen the problems of implementing that agreement. We've also dealt with GNLA and we didn't have any kind of peace talks with GNLA and a number of other small other groups. So where Hnlc is concerned and peace talks is concerned, I think the right person to talk to would be the government in this case.
But what about we have seen in the recent past there were like so many demand notes by the Hnlc. So what will be the stand of your department on such illegal activities?
On that, the demand notes of Hnlc, the Hnlc themselves have come out with clarification that it is not them. That verification is going on, whether it's actually them or it's an offshoot or it's somebody mimicking the Hnlc. Investigation is going on, our inquiries are going on. I would like to leave it at that.
Ma'am.